Our federal government has become a study in waste, a study in how elected officials cater to special interests rather than serve the interests of the American people. A bureaucracy that has poured $100,000 into a study of how to avoid falling spacecraft, $250,000 to study TV lighting for the U.S. Senate, and $19 million to study gas emissions from cows. The American people need to teach Washington a lesson in economics. We need to choose a candidate with the business sense to streamline spending and balance budgets. A candidate who will stop our government from throwing away our hard-earned money. This is no time to waste our votes on politics as usual. It is time for a candidate who will get down to business. It is time for Ross Perot.